All right, well, it's good to see you all. It's been a little bit. We were gone on some trips, and then we got sick, and we're finally back. So it's good to see you all. Well, why don't you guys stand and we'll worship the Lord together this morning? We fall down, we lay our crowns at the feet of Jesus. The greatness of His mercy and love at the feet of Jesus. And we cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. And we fall down, we lay our crowns at the feet of Jesus. In the greatness of His mercy and love at the feet of Jesus. And we cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. Lord, we worship you, and we cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. You are worthy, Lord. We praise Jesus. You guys can take just a quick seat. We'll get back to a few more songs after I see if you guys have any announcements or prayer requests this morning.
Well, I want to say thank you to Whitewater Church and give them a good praise report. A couple of weeks ago when we had our dinner, everybody chipped in and helped us nail the trees and take down the decoration, and everything went real smooth and everything got put away real quick. So I just want to thank everybody for everybody's help.
Somebody said something to me about letting the young ones do it, and I'm like, yeah.
I heard a lot of laughing and joking around and
Yeah,
everything. And
yeah.
then afterwards we had a real nice dinner. It was very nice.
Still want you to remember, my grandson Braden, he'll be 14 Tuesday. He's got the bone cancer in his jaw. So he's gonna do like 3 days of chemo up there. What they're trying to do with the chemo is killing his thing around the tumor. And then, in March, they'll take the jaw out of there and take a bone out of his leg and put it in the jaw. So it's gonna be a long thing for Braden, so.
Where's he getting his treatment at, Betty?
Children's.
Children's.
Yeah, so just pray for him. It's hard on him and it's hard on the family, so just pray for him.
Just a reminder, so we're at the abortion mill next Saturday. So we might have to go, just keep it on the calendar, next Saturday we'll be there. We usually leave around 6:30 from our house, or 4:30. And also February 18th, anybody who would be interested in going to the Capitol, we do have our abolitionist rally there. We'll be going around talking to senators and representatives early in the morning about abolition, bills of equal protection. So that's February 18th. It's on a Wednesday. It's a little more difficult for people to sacrifice Wednesday, that's on a Wednesday, not this one, but the next one. And if you just wanna go to the rally, it's from 1 to 3. So yeah, if
More songs? The splendor of a king is clothed in majesty. Let all the earth rejoice, all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself in light, and darkness tries to hide. It trembles at his voice, trembles at his voice. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? And all will sing, how great is our God. In age to age he stands, and time is in his hands. The beginning and the end, the beginning and the end. He's the Godhead, three in one. He's the Father, Spirit, and Son. He's the Lion and the Lamb. He's the Lion and the Lamb. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? And all will sing, how great, Lord, how great is our God. It's the name above all names. It's your the name above all names. Lord, you are worthy of our praise. And my heart will sing, how great is our God. Sing that again. You're the name above all names. Lord, you are worthy of our praise. Lord, and my heart will sing, how great is our God. But you are so great, and how great is our God. Oh, sing with me, how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. And how great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. And all will sing, how great is our God. Oh, praise you, Lord. Even before there was a drop in the ocean, even before there was a star in the sky, even before the world's put in motion, you were on your throne. You were on your throne. You reign. Glory and testify by your name. Every knee will bow and every tongue proclaim that Jesus reigns. And you reign, God. Glory in the highest, you reign. Let creation testify by your name. Every knee will bow and every tongue proclaim that Jesus reigns. Lord, you reign. How deep the Father's love for us, how vast beyond all measure, that He should give His only Son and make a wretched treasure. How great the pain of searing loss! The Father turned His face away, as wounds which mar the chosen one bring many sons to glory. Behold the man upon the cross, my sin upon His shoulders. Ashamed, I hear my mocking voice call out among the scoffers. It was my sin that held Him there until it was accomplished. His dying breath has brought me life. I know that it is finished. So I will not boast in anything, no gifts, no power, no wisdom, but I will boast in Jesus Christ, His death and resurrection. Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart, His works have paid